Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging. This grants the PC control over a DB. Connect the device with a USB cable and run a DB devices to confirm communication. Once done, switch a DB to network mode with a DB TCP/IP 5555 so the device listens on port 5555. Next, find the device IP in Wi-Fi settings or via a DB shell IP route. These steps prepare both endpoints. Without them, you cannot establish a reliable wireless session. Now connect over the network. Run a DB connect device IP 5555 and wait for a success message. If the device prompts for host authorization, tap accept. This ensures the host key is trusted and a DB commands will run. Make sure to verify the connection by running a DB devices again. The device should appear with its IP instead of a USB ID. If you plan long sessions, keep the screen awake in developer options and prefer a stable Wi-Fi to reduce packet loss and command timeouts. Finish by unplugging the USB cable and running a DB shell or a DB logcat to confirm full functionality over Wi-Fi. For newer Android versions, use a DB pair device IP, pairing port, and the displayed PIN to establish an authenticated session. This is more secure than Open TCP. Once connected, you can deploy and debug without cables. If things go wrong, restart the DB server with a DB kill server and a DB start server. Toggle device Wi-Fi or reboot the phone. These steps resolve most wireless hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.